Oh, cracking job, Gromit. Hang on, old chum.
What's going on? Who is it?
Reel him in, lad. To me. To me.
Snatch.
Thieving monster.
Oh, me prize! Pumpkin, me little baby, me pride and joy. You've saved it, Auntie Pesto.
It was nothing at all, Mr. Oh! Everything's under control. Don't worry, madam.
Thank you, Mr. Wallace.
All in a night's work, Mrs. Much.
Oh, cute little fella, isn't he? You'd never believe they'd cause so much damage.
Oh, he may look innocent, sir, but left to his own devices, this is the ultimate vegetable destroying machine.
Oh, Reg, me teeth!
Job well done, lad. Subject disarmed and neutralized.
Bless you, Auntie Pesto. With you out there protecting our veg, the most important event of the year is safe.
Aye, and I hope they give them pests what's coming to 'em and all.
Amen to that, Mrs. Mulch.